What are the topics? No, not this one. The first question is mostly most important question. Yeah, of course. Uh, why service days? Why you go for a service days off roll? Okay. For example, you are from ECE background or CSC background or IT background or a mechanical background or civil background or you are from BSc or a BCom. Some people are there from other than BE, BTech also there in our HCL recruitment. I think so. But whatever it is, you're from any background, they will ask a question. Why service desk? Why you want to choose service desk? Why you go for a role of services? So prepare an answer for that one, which is very nice and very positive way. Do not go with a very positive way, more exciting way. Don't go. So just any it is more journalistic. Last time I heard an answer from one person, who's a college student only. Okay, so studying. She said very good answer. Whether it acceptable or not, I don't know. But answer is I like that answer because nowadays, what are the opportunity you should take it. What are the opportunity available? First of all, we will take it and make it as useful for your growthness. That is the answer she said. That's a beautiful answer. Because she is from electrical background. If she will get an opportunity in a electrical background first, then she will choose that one only. And if you got a service desk, or maybe she's got some other profile, got selected, she will go for that one. So nowadays, what are the opportunities available? Go for it. That is her answer. But it is valid or invalid, I don't know. But I like that answer. Okay. Next one is guys, always positive answer is important. Okay. So next question is always write this. Why you choose IT sector? If you are from non-IT background, then why you choose IT sector? Again, for both things, first of all, why you choose IT sector for a mechanical, electrical, electronics background people? Why you choose IT sector? Always a positive answer is there. Do not say, guys, I am from ECE. Sadly, there is no opportunities in ECE or mechanical. It is a work is very hard. You have to go outside and we have to work. I don't like this branch. The subjects are very nasty. Okay, so don't say that kind of stuff. Tell about IT sector in a positive way. It is a fast growing industry. IT sector anybody can welcome. For example, a mechanical guy is can able to go to mechanical field and IT field. But in a mechanical field, we only accept the mechanical guy, right? Electrical field is there. Core electrical, we only accept the electrical person only, right? Not a computer person, not a electronics person, not a mechanical person, right? But in IT field, it is irrespective of what you have done earlier. So you need a knowledge. You have to know how to learn, how to do it. So you can improve if you are able to improve the technology, IT technologies. So definitely there is a growth inside, right? That is about your IT. You can tell this same answer in a different ways, different way of presentation you can able. So that's my point, guys. Okay. So next, why you choose service desk? Again, that is difficult.
Mm,
Even if you are from CSC background, why you choose your service desk? The service desk is a lower profile in generally. Okay, it is a lower profile than a network engineer, or maybe it is a lower profile. What we think lower profile than a software developer. Every CSC IT person dream is about a software developer. Okay, every person who learn the IT technologies, networking, servers, storages, okay, Linux. Okay, like my dream is working in a data centers. working in a data centers, working on a cloud data centers, maybe working on a cloud that is nowadays, but originally our thing is working on a network related data centers or a storage side or a server side, whatever it is, like working in a data center. That is the people who are learn these technologies. Okay, but what is your way to think about what you want to become and why you want to come to service desk? Service desk is also a very good opportunity. I'm telling not only in a HR interview, generally also I'm telling service desk is also a very good opportunity. It's a very good profile. It's service desk is also a very good profile. Which is only we are working on a we can able to explore different technologies, different organization, different issues we can able to understand, we can able to support on a different type of issues. Improving a technology will give always you can understand better. As a fresher, getting into the IT company, the best profile is always service desk. Okay, getting inside a IT companies, always the best profile is service desk profile only.
Sir,
Okay, they tell me.
sir, that's the question is that sir, apart from Microsoft Office, what are the other apps you use? Sir, this is a Microsoft Team. That's called.
This is right. Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I told you this is a third question. Okay, this is the least asked question. But what is the other than Microsoft Office? What applications you know? You use it. Normally,
Yes.
people will tell what is the desktop applications you used it. People will tell I know Word, right? Everybody know Word. Doubt is there, but you know Word, right? So what is the use of Word for creating a documents? Generally, you do some project and all. You know Word,
Word, Excel, PowerPoint,
Excel. We know it. Yes, very good. Excel and PowerPoint.
not
So more
PowerPoint.
than Excel, we know PowerPoint, right?
Yes,
Why PowerPoint? So definitely there is some time we have to give a presentation. We go with the PowerPoint. We may not be
yes, sir.
excellent in it, but we used it. Excel is also very important, guys. One more suggestion. Any chance of learning Excel and advanced Excel shortcuts? So any chance is there not fully concentrate, sir, I will stop everything and I will learn Excel. I'm not telling like that. I'm telling just for fun also you can try Excel. Lot of better things are there in Excel. Okay. So Excel is also we are maybe used. If you don't use, check it once. It is mostly creating tables, right? So like I am taking attendance, that is I'm putting in your names and your attendance in the Excel only. So
Sir,
you can
also
see.
store data.
Another one is
Store data.
store data. It is
Yes,
Excel
sir.
sheets. This is Excel only.
Yes.
Name and other details. This is your attendance sheet. Unhide sheet. I hide some columns. It is every day, and this is attendance. Okay. Maybe some for some people, I taken their personal data is also available with me. Personal data. Which batch? Some batch I got full information. Okay. Okay. So like that, we can add the data. But the point is tables creations, created data, additional data, and analysis on it. There is some analysis, pivoted tables, graphs, so many things you can able to do in this. Excel also. So these are three apps are a Microsoft basic apps. And next one is this is Outlook and this is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Team either as a separate or along with your package, of course. But you use lot of applications are there. If you are using, also you can try to tell it. For example, this is my SQL developer. My web browser is there, of course. This is packet tracer. This is a video recorder. This is spicy. Now how to find a system configuration, how to check system configuration. You can use an application called Spicy. It will analyze your system and it will display your system configuration. See my operating system, my CPU, my RAM, my motherboard, my graphics, my storages, and my optical disk and my audio things. Everything is display on single screen. You can go to each and everything. Also you can find about your devices. Okay. This is a VMware Works Oracle VM VirtualBox. This is VMware Workstation Pro. Okay. Like you use so many applications. Simulator applications are there. For example, AutoCAD Pro E kind of applications you used. Okay. Depends upon your depend. Tally application is there. A lot of applications. So collect your memory. Okay. Or check in your system. What are the application you use? That is other than this Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay. This is another question. Why should we hire you? Three qualities. Why should you hire you? What are the three qualities? Not three qualities, main qualities to get a job, work in organization. So I want to hire a person. What are the qualities? I will check it. So search in a Google about the qualities requirement to get hired. To get hired, check in a Google, find out at least five, six qualities. Try to match at least three qualities. Try to match at least three qualities which is related to you and give some examples on it. Like, do you have a good communication skills? Okay, communication skills quality. Teamwork, team build, teamwork. Working in a solo able to work or with a team you can able to work or you can able to play as a team leads or you can lead the team and as well as you can follow the team also. Okay, so depends upon a situation we can turn up and habituated means not habituated we can word, we can adapt to technologies, adapt to nature, not adapt to technology. Adaption is there means you can easily adapt the situation in currently. For example, you have to work for every day 8 hours. Now the situation changes. Suddenly some issues occur. You have to work another 4 hours extra. Okay, or maybe like that is a kind of stuff. So like a situation changes, you have to work additional shift. Usually if any class is there, whether it is a free class or paid class, any theory class or practical class, I will take it, no problem for me. But I don't like a telecalling. They're calling to the people and telling, are you able to write an examination? What is your qualification? So interview calls are okay, no, but not just asking them sales calls or some promotion calls or telling some gathering people kind of, or checking quality of the peoples, checking their communication skills, technical skills, asking some questions. Okay, judging people, checking quality is also okay, no problem. But judging the people, I don't like it. Even few days back, same in our place only at Corona time. So we got a huge requirement for certain companies, two three companies required huge requirement is there. What to do? So we gather all the data. We started calling one by one. Even I don't have any batch that time, but we have to help the organization, right? I'm not saying I'm a trainer, so why should I call in these people, right? That is adapting. What are the situation? Understand what is the requirement is there for that particular requirement. You have to do it. So you then that is useful for an organization. Even if you think it is useful or not useful, but it is a chance to do something, to do it. That's it. That is one of the quality. So I'm just telling a story, guys. But you can gather your qualities. It may be original qualities or duplicate qualities. No problem. Meaning is, what's the meaning? Original or duplicate? Really, you have a quality of that one or not? Does not matter. You have to present that quality. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm telling in this kind of stuff. Quick learning qualities. Quick learner. Learning with very less time you can able to learn a technology and start working on it. Okay, I have taken a few classes without taking any coaching. Just go through the test work, 2 days, 3 days, struggle to learn in a starting. Remaining is comes with the flow. So the like that I have taken three batches on a Unix administration. Unix administration. That time I know only one or two commands maybe, but I started like installations. I showed how to install the operating system. Next one is how to do disk management, printer management, backup. The administration I showed, fairly I showed, no? Without searching any. Nowadays we have a YouTube videos. I'm telling in a 2011 time, almost like a 11 years back story. I'm telling. So in that time itself, I've gone through the test works. Very less support in the internet support, and in home we don't have any internet anyway. In office, we have a classes. We don't have a time. So only in bus, I have to go through the test books, go to home. We have a computer. So practice at overnight. I have to practice, practice, practice. Then I have to take the classes.
So next question answer sir for service deals. And sir, next question, what do you part profile you have been chosen?
Okay, good. Okay. So like that, gather your qualities. Gather quality related example. So why I told the story? The story I can learn quickly and practice, get confident, and we can able to deliver or work on the technology. Then I given a example. Why it is that example proves you have that quality. Okay, so gather your qualities, find out at least 5 6 qualities, match with yourself, and try to give some example based on what is your previous experiences, means lifetime experience, not required really real time experience. Okay, in a college, in the situations we'll see. Yeah, the next question is, do you know for what profile you have been chooses? Some people will come and join, so they don't know. So there is a good opportunities there. They got selected, so they don't know which profile it is. That is the question. Okay, so you may know, right? So what is what is your profile first of all? The service desk
Service
or
desk, sir.
engineering
Hmm.
associate, PAT. Which one? In HCL, it is just service desk or a service analyst or a program analysis training, engineer training, trainee analyst. Which profile when you received that letter, we send a letter, right, from scientists. I didn't understand. If you don't talk to each other, okay, tell to me. Got the point, or guys? Okay, so please check the mail you got it from Ruxana madam or anything. So they definitely mentioned what profile you are choosing. Okay,
Analyst.
analyst. Which analyst? Technical or a service
So
desk analyst?
service desk analysis, service desk analysis.
Service desk analysis. Okay, so that's the concept.
Yes, sir.
You know, that time you said I don't know why I am came to this interview. Then it is very dangerous. Okay, so then also search what it is because that is also one question. So what is a role of service desk analyst? IT professional who provided technical help for a users of a organization. Analysts respond to inquiries and they evaluate and resolve the issues relating to IT equipment and appliances. Okay, it is not a user query. It is all about monitoring of an organization. Any issues are occur like a server level, hardware level, hard disk level, anything like a network components. So you have to check whether any issue is there. So immediately, so you have to create a ticket and send to the people so they can able to do it. Once the customer service analysis responsible gather doing and research, they use the customer service data, observations and make trends and reports to get a clear picture of a department operations and way to prove it. It is a customer service analysis. It is service desk analysis. It is customer service analysis. Key qualities of a great customer service analysis. You have required what is empathy? That is also there. That is another question is also there. Great communications, empathy, consistency, commercial awareness, willing to learn. They provide incoming requests for IT support and resolve network hardware and software issues with a computer. They also perform technical maintenance, software installations, and updates. Yeah, this is a good one, right? Where are you? Okay. So find out a different kind of statements regarding that one. What is the profile you are chosen? What is that profile? What profile it will do it? Profile related questions also there. Profile related questions also there. What is service desk? What is help desk type of questions also there. I forwarded one PPT to you guys. Please go through that one also. There it is a help desk, service desk related questions and the information is there. Any certification you have done or not. Certification means like a lot of certifications are there, like a AWS certification, Azure certification, Microsoft server related certifications, lot of certifications are CCNA, MCSA, okay, Red Hat related certifications, ITL related certifications are there. So if you've done any certification, technical certifications, then if you have, you can tell me, otherwise no. Okay, so already I told guys, if in case you want to try something, you can try freely also. Free course certifications also available, but it is not a certification, it's a batches. You can try from the Microsoft. I already told you how to do it. Okay, future goals. Lot of noise. Future goals. What are the future goals you have? You want to, what do you want to become? Make it more relevant to the current situation. Okay. Like a future goals, like after 5 years or 10 years, I want to become a chief minister. I want to become a prime minister. So you can tell them no problem. So if you have that kind of idea, but I'm trying to say it is to tell in any relevant. So goal is not does not mean I want to become a senior analyst, senior engineer kind of stuff. You can tell where do you want to see yourself, goals like you want to construct a building, your own home. That is also good one. Want to start your own business. I want to become like a corporate trainer. I want to become a certain position. So goal means it's around a position kind of stuff. About my strengths in brief. About my strengths in brief. Okay. Tell your strengths and weaknesses. Both are guys. Both strength and weakness is there. What is your strength and what is your weakness? And seventh batch is also still Prajnaja get 65%, Surya Narayana 58, Ishwar got very less. Rohit got cleared. These people not attended any US interviews. Go to this. Okay. The common question already I told last class only. Okay. Strength and weaknesses always in a both are in a positive. Weakness and strength both are in a positive. And sometimes you can say in a weakness in the simple or a kind of funny kind of stuff also. One of my friend, of course he died also, but uh, he told he has a weakness that is his hands, palms are always wet. So it is a slippery type. He cannot hold the mobile phone. Okay. Sometimes some crazy stuff we can also do. What do you know about a Microsoft? So you know Microsoft Windows we are using, Microsoft servers are there. Okay, Microsoft servers are there. Microsoft Cloud Service is also there. Okay, so like that, so you can tell about a Microsoft. What do you learn in a lockdown? In lockdown period, what are the technologies you learn, or what is the thing you learn? Means what do you understand by lockdown? So how difficult life it is, how happy life it is. Okay, like this. I learn like a compulsory use sanitizer and compulsory wash your hands. Even there is a corona, no corona kind of stuff. Even there is a corona is there or no corona situation, but still better to use mask because lot of viruses are there other than corona also. There is easy virus spreading is there. Lot of dust particles are there outside. Better to use any mask. You can that is the first one. Use mask. Second one is compulsory once you reach home, then better clean, maintain the clean, at least wash your hands with soap, use sanitizer, at least put a one sanitizer in your pocket. Okay. So better not to give more journey kind of stuff. Means going out wantedly, going with any shops, crowded locations. Don't create more crowd. But government has to insist that it, but more crowd is always more pollution. That's what I see. Can you able to work even in a festival times in festival? Okay, this is a very good question. Can you able to work even in the times festivals time? You know, for some people it is very strong feeling about a festival. Like if they miss that festival, then it is like a life is missing. For some people it is not even it does not matter. It is. For some people it is chance, guys. Lot of people, like we have a lot of festivals. We are all taking holidays and celebrating in home. See the doctors, police, military. If you see the festival is very important, then other people also, so like every police in a country said, yeah, today is my our festival, so we'll take a leave. All police people take a leave. And what happened? So now, right? So I'm not motivating anything. That is completely a person choice. So I'm telling now one story that is not a story. Of course, it is also there is a story. I'm not telling a story. See, every organization has a 10 days of holiday calendar is there. 10 days of holidays calendar is there. In my from our organization, these 10 days are completed. It is starting with Pongal, Republic Day. 2 days we got in a January. Again March, Mahashivratri, Holi. Both are in March only. And Ambedkar Jayanti. We got Ambedkar Jayanti, but really we didn't get it. Really, I didn't get any holiday on Ambedkar Jayanti. April 14th, they didn't see that column is there. Okay, one day for Ramjan, Bakrid. Even I didn't take in leave on the Bakrid. Ramjan is May, so I think I have taken. But July, it's Bakrid, we didn't take in any leave on. I didn't remember exactly. Independence Day, that is we got that is also Monday, August, and Ganesh Chaturthi also August, and
Sir,
October.
only 8 days.
10 days completed. Even next we are getting in a November. This is November. Okay, December it is 1 or 2 holidays. November and December. We don't get it after 10 days completed. Okay, so the holiday, even though there is a festival, you may not get a holiday, right? So whatever it is depends upon the calendar, depends upon the situation. We'll take an leaves. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. I am not taking lot of leaves. As in when I was in Pune, I'm sitting in home as single person, no problem. So then we didn't take much holiday leaves in normal things. Big big festival kind of stuff we given a leave. But sometimes the work related, so sometimes you may not having chance to take a leave. In some situations, you should not take a leave even it is a home emergencies also. Okay, fine. What is answer? That is your choice. Yeah, only one choice, guys. Always positive. Say yes, kind of stuff type only. Yes or no based on the positive answer. Based to positivity. Achievements. Do you achieve anything? You play cricket or you achieve any prizes you put it? Don't say I born. That is a big achievement. I grown up. That is a big achievement. So you score some marks or you grant certificate. You participate in some places like that. Not required to win, but at least you have done something. Okay, challenging situations in life. So don't say like I don't know how to make a Maggie. I learned Maggie finally, and I eat my Maggie on my own. Don't say that kind of Maggie jokes here. Okay? Challenging situations. Sometimes it's very difficult to cross. That is like either you learn something, or maybe you travel somewhere, or you face some situation that is very difficult to come out from. So guys, don't go with your health situations. In even if you are not feeling well, or maybe you have some health related issues, that is not a soft conduct. That is a negative conduct. Mostly some of my colleagues like Sai sir and Madhu sir always called me. Why? Because of whenever they ask, I will they ask me like, how are you? I said I am good. Even I don't say fine. Also, I said I'm good. Even I don't feel not well means like my health is condition is not good, or maybe my situation is not good, but I never say I'm not good. I said always good, not feeling well. That kind of stuff I don't say. Even if I don't feel good, so then when if I taken a leave, so that time I will tell. But in general, if they call me, then how are you? Even if I have a hundred, okay, 101 fever also, I said I am good. So that is always a point. Don't put a more thing in about health or something backdrop or depression kind of stuff. Don't talk in interview about your negative things also, about your depressions. Guys, think you are a person who is in the hiring position. What kind of answers you want to listen? What kind of answers you want to listen from the candidate? Think like that. In TV interviews, that is different. People tell I'm from the thing. I won a running competition without having legs also. Okay, I have success. I started with hotel with one single grain of rice bean. Okay, one rice single bean. I started a hotel. Not even a bag. It is a one single gram of rice. It's like don't say that kind of backwards kind of stuff. Tell positively. Tell easy way. Not you are some special candidate. No one is special. What is your difficult situation in your life? If you win 1 million, you will still work in HCL. That is 1 million means, guys, in India, million means 100 lakhs rupees. But in US, it is 100 lakhs dollars. Okay. So, in dollar wise, it is very high in US itself, not in India. In India, 10 lakhs is cheaper. Okay, somewhat, some for certain, generally, with 10 lakhs, what you can able to do it. So maybe, I don't know. So 10 lakhs, you can buy car, no problem. But not like you leave a job kind of stuff. If I won 10 lakh rupees, maybe I will purchase a very good car. Maybe like a MG Hector kind of stuff, I will purchase it. Um, Even it is more than 10 lakh rupees, no problem. Okay. It'll buy 10 lakhs, which car will get it, I will let to take it. Or I will take 5 lakhs rupees car, 5 lakhs rupees in a bank account, that is enough. Okay. So 1 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. With the 10 lakh rupees, you don't leave the job like a that kind of stuff. But you got a 10 lakh, like a 10 lakhs dollars. Definitely you can start a business. You can invest somewhere. Monthly you'll get money. So compared to what job is giving you the money. Okay. That is a kind of stuff. Comparison. About weaknesses, about strength is there. Every person has their own strength. If you don't know what is your strength, copy from strengths from others. That is also good, no problem. But practice what is you are telling. Give an example also. Possibility, try to give example for everything. Okay, but nice and easy example. Weaknesses. What is your weakness? So, for example, my weakness is I speak a lot. Okay, nowadays I found that is my weakness. I speak a lot. So in generally, my weakness is I keep doing things, keep on doing till it is completed. I try to complete again and again. I will do it for to complete it. Make sure that is completed. That is my strength. That is my weakness. Okay, I speak a lot. So don't go with again. What is your weakness? It can be a funny weakness, no problem. But don't say your weakness is too much personal weakness is that. My family is my weakness. My girlfriend is my weakness. My opposite girlfriend is not weakness. Like, don't say that kind of answers. So I have a hobbies like my drinking is my weakness. Like smoking is my weakness. Don't say that kind of answers also. So tell a weakness is about always challenging to you to do your work. Okay? It is always a positive thing. Okay. My internship about your if you are done any internship, nowadays you guys are doing it in the college itself. doing some internships, right? So if you done any internship, so what is your internship? Lot of people, even I ask in some interviews, people are trying to spell the words about an organization, what is their land. They try to speak very faster. Guys, never speak very fast. There are faster. Speak normal speed, 1x speed only, not a minus 2x speed or not a plus 2x speed, not a zero point 0.5 minus zero point 0.5. Don't try that one. Speak in 1x speed only. I think you understand that one. When in an interview, always speak in a 1x speed only. Okay, so like that. So I worked in a 70s. So how do you know about it's like a, what are the classes you are in? Like who is your trainer? Example, who is your trainer? Our trainer name is Latif. Guys, you know, remember or not? My name is Latif. Latif. Okay, my name is Latif. Okay. So my trainer name is our trainer, not my trainer. Yeah, I'm not your personal trainer. I'm the whole group trainer, right? So our trainer, the technical trainer name is Latif. You want to tell my full name, then also you can tell Latif Sheikh. Okay. So my our trainer name is Latif Sheikh. It's like a one sentence. Sir, my trainer name is Latif. A technical trainer Latif. If you say like that, very faster, then the guy won't understand. Okay, it will give your negative marks in your communication. Speak in 1x speed. Okay? So if you done any internship, so try to tell which organization, what technologies you work, how long you work, how long you work, and what are the things you learn and you worked on it. Okay, what is the resultant kind of. Okay, so that is your internship. What do you want to become? So you want to become a again, what is your goal? Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? What is your short-term goal, or it is your long-term goal? All these things, goal related. Okay, goal. So find out your goals, your job related kind of stuff, positions, profession related, position related. Okay, so you can set your or other than means out of box goals also there. Out of box goals means does not mean about your marriage life or your kids or anything. So don't say that kind of stuff. It is more funny, but not good. But out of box things are there. For example, I want to see myself like after 10 years, I want to start a very small business on my own. Even if it is, I don't do it. I'm telling after 10 years, so not immediately. Even I do or not don't do, I don't know. That is even I don't have any in the 10 years started my own business. That is even it is a not possible because I don't have any money. After 10 years also, I don't get any money. All money will spend in a daily basis. Monthly, everything will be vanishing one day. Okay. So point is, after 10 years, I want to start my own business. Or maybe I want to start my like I want to go back to my hometown, then do all my farming works. My parents are not farmers anyway. Even I never seen farming. My great grandfathers may be farmers, but we don't involve in that farming in generally. Even childhood I have seen, but now we are all far away from main home. We don't have any assets there. Okay, but still you can say like I can go back to my hometown, so then I can start my own farming. I will help my father to take up the next legacy. Like if you are from farmer's family, okay, so you can tell out of box answers also. Even some people suggest don't tell out of box answers. Always in a professional way of growth and all. Why? Why? Not required. Okay. Either you in the same IT professional wise targets, you can tell, or to become a corporate trainer, in which is I want to do a training give in the direct corporate trainer, freelance trainer on my own. guys, I want to start a training field. That is inbox, out of box. I want to do my business. I want to start my own kirana store. Okay. I want to start a food court. That is my dream business. Okay. I want to kill someone. Okay. Don't say that kind of answers. But out of box answers also, which you are having a clarity with clear picture. Try to tell that kind of answer. Guys, understand that last point I said. What do you want to become? Where do you want to see yourself in for 10 years? Long term goals. Understand what is the answer you can prepare. There, a lot of people left also. No problem. Give me a 10 minutes. I will finish this basic personal questions. Technical question you prepare, you will tell answer, guys. Already I given these questions to you. I didn't told about these questions, right? Guys, understand this point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, only 4 members, 5 members, 7 members are there. If you don't speak, I will die. I think I am become ghost. Okay. Pass out here, that is okay. Okay. What are you doing after passing out from the college? Some people are 19 people are there, right? 20 people, 21 people also there. 22 no problem, but 21 okay. Corona time 22, 20 2 years gap, 19 3 years gap. So guys, compulsory. Please check anything you learn, you can do it. If you face some problem like you got a corona, you can tell I got a corona, have taken rest more than requirement. They can take. But even though it is a 6 months time only, but you done. And so think any learning kind of stuff. If you learn any technologies, please tell there. Or you done any home business like your mother or a father doing some business. You are helped in the business. Also, it is the best way to tell an answer. Also, you work in some organization, you can do it, or you help with your sister kind of stuff. Do not say like my sister got married, I have to be with my sister. Okay, so I'm giving helping my sister with the marriage situation, like 1 year I spent there only. Don't say that kind of answer. Even that is an answer also, please don't tell it. Okay, so any productivity are useful, we have to tell the gap period. Why gap is also there, right? Why gap? That is also a question. So here that is also repeated question. Why 2 years of gap? Okay. Do you have any experience? You worked in any organizations, same profile or different profile? So any nearest location you prefer? So if, for example, I am in Vishakhapatnam. Nearest location is Vishakhapatnam, but HCL won't be there in the same profile kind of stuff. May not be in Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, right? Better to tell Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai near to me, right? So that is based on your location. For example, Nagpur people are there. Any from Nagpur? Okay. So Nagpur people, both Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. Compared to Pune, Hyderabad is nearer to Nagpur. Okay, like which is the nearest one, comfortable one. You cannot say like the nearest one is my next village only. So please give me that opportunity. I will be glad. Okay, like that is the part. For Hyderabad people, of course, Pune is the nearest one, and from Hyderabad to Pune is nearest. Hyderabad to Nagpur is nearest, but Nagpur to Pune longest. Okay, that is the point. And Hyderabad to Bangalore, you can easily go. Hyderabad to Chennai, you can easily score on your version test. And some questions we are not done, guys. This is also very important question. Very important. Like a starting one only, I started with the question: why you choose IT sector? Why you choose service desk? That the third question actually it is. So tell me about your technical skills. What are the topics you are covered in a technical? What are the topics we covered? What is the service desk? basics of service desk, okay, and basics of networking, PC hardware and operating system, server and services kind of stuff like what is an Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, what is an Outlook. That is the topics we are going to cover and cover topics. Okay, so about your technical skills, if you have any technical knowledge, whether you learn here or maybe learn from outside resources, you can try this one. So tell about your technicals. Rate yourself in a technical knowledge. So how much knowledge you have totally or individually. For example, you learn a cloud computing. You are very good with the AWS cloud. You can tell, sir, out of 10, I'm giving myself a 7 or 8 or 10 like this. Out of 10, no one is there. But you can tell I learn AWS, sir, and I practice AWS. Out of 10, I have a 6, 7 rating. Or you have a knowledge on Java or a Python or a networking. So you can tell your rating out of 5, 3, out of 10, 6 or 7. Your major project, compulsory go through your major project. What is the project? What is the duration of the project? And where you done that project? What are the technologies you use in the project? What is the logic behind that one? And what is your role in that project also? And this is difficult question, guys. This is very difficult question. If you don't get hired from service desk, then what you will do? Okay. For example, in this interview, you are not getting selected. Then what you will do? That is a difficult question. What are the answer it is may not be correct answer. Usually, if you are attend an interview, don't get selected, what you do, you'll feel sad, right? But you should not say you feel sad. You say like a happy also you cannot say. So you will try again, practice, find out what is the thing which is I am not good at. So then I will practice much better way. I will try once more. Maybe another company. I will improve my technical skills. I'll improve my communication skills and I will improve my technical skills. I will wait for next chance to get inside. Always seek my betterment. Always that is important. Even it is a egoistic, no problem. What do you do in a free time? Just don't say I watch a TV, I watch that Instagram kind of stuff. So what do you want do in a free time? Just I will go for a walk or I will go for a eating food kind of stuff. Okay. So say it's better in a productive way, little productive way or more funny way. No problem. But don't say lazy way. I will sit my sofa, I watch TV, I do Instagram, I do reels, TikTok kind of stuff. Don't say that. Better to tell some other things. And any free time you give some productive kind of answer. Try to give productive type answer, but must be little matches must be there. When I have a free time, I will learn some technology. So I have a lot of free time from last 1 year. Got a lot of free time from last 1 year. How many technologies you learn? Then they will catch it, right? So make it more relevant to your next questions and previous questions also. Okay? So better to challenge. Like you didn't learn anything from last 2 years. You spend a time. Then what you do? Just tell them like in a free time. Just I will help my mother. I will help my father work related. Usually don't get that much time freely. So usually I will go for. Okay. So free time I will watch movies kind of stuff. Still like that, but give some positive way, productive way, and must be relevant to the other answers. Next questions are previous questions. Any experiences how you deal with the pressure? So in some organization, so in while you are working, lot of pressure is there. Lot of questions, lot of pressures. What do you do? What are you doing? Is the next one? What is previous one kind of stuff. So you will have to deal with a lot of pressures. How to deal? So you do like little walk, I drink too much water. Okay. So I feel like a compartmentalization of my work and my family. Compartmentalization. Means in my family, in my personal life, I got lot of problems. Maybe from parents or maybe siblings like sister, brother kind of stuff, or maybe friends and other people. Like in personal, so I may get a lot of issues. I will compartmentalize my work related one part and professional work related, social related, parents related, family related. There is separate compartmentalization. I am dealing with where I was there. I deal with the situation. If I'm in office, if I'm in office, I deal with the office related situations. If I'm at home, I deal with my home related. So like that, I will compartmentalize it. I will separate it. I'll make it is more transparent communication. So then issues don't get a more miscommunication. No miscommunications. So then issues automatically resolve. Even this is about completely bakwas, but still it is a one of the valid answer. Or you can tell some any positive kind of why you choose service desk role being a postgraduate. MSc, MCom people also there, MSc people are there, MTech people are there. So even they also try to come to the service desk. And again, that is the question why. Okay, the guys again. So create your creativity answer there. So as a fresher, service desk is the best chance to get inside IT company, and it is there is a lot of technologies we can able to explore, learn and explore kind of stuff. It is faster. I can grow in the technology base. Somewhat it is backward. Creativity, guys. Most of the answer you don't find anywhere. What do you want to be in this profile? Yeah, what do you know about your profile? What do you want to be in this profile? This is what is the latest technology you are interested to learn? What is you want to learn? Are you learned already learning, already completed, or maybe want to learn in future like this? What is the nowadays technologies? But so many technologies are there. Cloud computing, DevOps, or certain tools. Okay, certain tools. Last time I interviewed a guy is learn dynamic CRM. It's a old technology, but still it is important technology, CRM technologies, customer related management. Okay, what technology you want to learn? Okay, like a cloud technologies or a machine learning, artificial intelligence, programming, full stack, like this. You do love traveling. So, like if the answer, what is the your hobby? My hobby is a traveling. Then they will ask, what is your recent visit? My hobby is reading books. What books? What kind of books? What is the book you read last time? Okay. My hobby is reading books. My hobby is not reading books. My hobby is to buy books. Okay. My hobby is buying, purchasing a book. That's it. Okay. So that is another point. What is your hobby, guys? Hobbies again, not a negative points. Always give a positive things. Don't say watching TV is not a hobby. Watching TV is not a hobby. You know that one. So watching TV kind of stuff, not a hobby. Listening music is a hobby. Again, the difference is there. Listening music is a hobby, but watching TV is not a kind of hobby, not a positive hobby. Making a Instagram reels, please don't go to that part. If you've done already, it's okay. If you want to tell, no problem. That is your personal, guys. I'm not judging on anything. I'm a HR. What I feel, what is the answer I want to get, I'll wait for that answer. There is no right answer, no wrong answer. This one. Of course, there is one or two, except one or two questions. Most of the questions in these personal questions, guys, there is no right answer or a wrong answers. Okay. So I'm also giving these all questions in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Also, I'm giving all this to your WhatsApp group. Tell your friends, those who are already disconnected, tell those people, go through the questions and try to practice some answer for it. Because most of the people are unable to speak at an interview is because of lack of practice answering. I keep telling that one because it is I've been those people. Okay, I didn't start my
Okay,
career
sir.
like last week or 1 year back. I started my career in 2009, at least till least. Okay? I know the field from 2003 onwards because after my diploma onwards, I attend my interviews first of all. 2003 onwards, I am attending interviews, not taking interviews. Okay, at least 2003 onwards, I am attending in interviews after my diploma. Okay, so that is I know at least what is happens at a time of interview. I given most worst interviews in my life also. Okay, so practice answering. Thank you guys. Last five members are remaining. What happened is
Sir.